Scooch. Drop top. Whiz up.
Today I'm doing alright. Today I'm gonna do how to clean your shoes part 2, but this one is how to clean your Jordan 13s Bred. You guys loved the other videos, so I'm gonna make another one for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, comment below, share the video, like, and thank you guys for watching the video and enjoy. And I hope this is helpful for you guys. Guys, all the stuff you need is just the shoes, obviously, a bowl of water. Not dirty, but if it's dirty, you can still fix them up. And a bowl of water. And you need this one. This is a good brand, Jason Mark. I mentioned it in the other video too. You just need and you need this and a rag. So this is how the shoes look right now. This is how the shoes look. They're not that dirty, but I want to clean my shoes every time I use them or something. So I'm gonna put a little of this. Not that much. I'll just rub it. It can be cold or hot water. It doesn't matter. And then just start scrubbing like that. I'm down there, it's hard to take it off. Wow. My shoes are pretty clean already, so.
My thing with UPS, the way we mellow. I got every drip to start with a letter. Chickens is tender, but the hood say that you soldier boy the way you tell them. Animal. I let them play in the back with them lines until he run out of that stamina. I told him he's stealing, he told me I'm lying. I told him I got him on.
So you guys, it's cleaner than before. So after that, but actually, it was not a lot of work because I didn't use it that much, or I didn't wear it that much. But when you clean it, it's gonna have to dry off though. There's a difference, right? See, and then after you do that, you just let them, they're gonna dry out. Or put them back in the box or whatever you guys need to. And this one is a little bit dirty. It's much dirty. Okay, so same thing.
100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek. Percocet pill on me. I saw my neck, baby, chill with me. Used to break in the IMMA, then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking cool.
Whenever you think it is good, you can just use the rag and dry it off. So then I think it's good. Just a little rocks. This rocks, but I'm not gonna take it up right now for this video. But you guys can just use the knife and just take that part out. That's basically it, guys. So then look at the final product. It's much cleaner than before. And if this video was helpful, guys, and share the video, like, and subscribe. If you're new, subscribe. This is a lit channel, guys. And then go watch my other videos, guys. It's cool. But thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna end it.
Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.